In this podcast episode, JJ Virgin, a renowned nutrition and fitness expert, shares her insights on how women over 40 can effectively melt stubborn fat and build muscle. The conversation delves into the importance of understanding diets as tools, the significance of protein, the role of resistance training, and the impact of hydration on metabolism. Virgin emphasizes that diets should be viewed as tools tailored to individual needs rather than one-size-fits-all solutions. She notes that many diet books are often written from a personal perspective, leading authors to believe that what worked for them will work for everyone. The key is to identify personal health issues, such as inflammation or sugar cravings, and select the appropriate dietary tool to address those issues. For instance, she suggests that those struggling with inflammation might benefit from the Virgin diet, while those with sugar cravings could find relief through the Sugar Impact diet. Intermittent fasting is highlighted as a beneficial tool for improving blood sugar and insulin sensitivity. Virgin explains that eating within a 12-hour window is considered normal, and she advocates for gradually shortening that window to 8-10 hours. This approach aligns with the natural rhythms of cortisol and insulin, promoting better metabolic health. A significant focus of the discussion is on the importance of protein in the diet, particularly for women over 40. Virgin stresses that protein should be prioritized at every meal to support muscle maintenance and fat loss. She explains that protein not only helps in stabilizing blood sugar levels, but also has a thermogenic effect, meaning it requires more energy to digest compared to fats and carbohydrates. This thermogenic effect can aid in boosting metabolism, making it easier to lose stubborn fat. Virgin also discusses the concept of eating by the plate, which involves consuming protein first, followed by non-starchy vegetables, healthy fats, and a small amount of low-glycemic carbohydrates. This trifecta approach ensures that meals are balanced and satisfying, reducing the likelihood of hunger and cravings throughout the day. The conversation transitions to the critical role of resistance training in building muscle and improving overall health. Virgin points out that as women age, they naturally lose muscle mass, which can lead to a decrease in metabolism and an increase in body fat. She emphasizes that strength training is essential for preserving lean muscle mass and enhancing insulin sensitivity. Virgin encourages women to embrace strength training as a means to age powerfully rather than age gracefully. She explains that muscle acts as a metabolic sponge, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and improve overall metabolic health. The discussion highlights the importance of incorporating both strength and power training into fitness routines, as these elements are crucial for maintaining functional movement and preventing injuries. Hydration is another key topic addressed in the podcast. Virgin explains that proper hydration is vital for metabolic function and can significantly impact weight loss efforts. She cites research indicating that even mild dehydration can lead to a decrease in metabolism and an increase in stress hormones, which can contribute to weight gain, particularly around the abdomen. Virgin recommends a general guideline of drinking half one's body weight in ounces of water daily, with additional hydration needed for exercise. She also discusses the role of electrolytes, suggesting that they can be beneficial for those who are active, but should be consumed mindfully to avoid overconsumption. The conversation touches on the use of GLP-1 medications, such as semaglutide, as a tool for weight loss. Virgin acknowledges the potential benefits of these medications for individuals struggling with obesity and metabolic health issues. However, she emphasizes that they should not be seen as a standalone solution. Instead, they should be used in conjunction with a well-rounded approach that includes proper nutrition, resistance training, and lifestyle changes. Virgin raises important questions about the long-term implications of relying on such medications, particularly for children and adolescents. She advocates for a comprehensive approach to health that prioritizes education, healthy eating habits, and physical activity, rather than solely focusing on medication as a quick fix. A common concern among individuals looking to lose weight is the potential for loose skin. Virgin reassures listeners that while significant weight loss can lead to some skin laxity, especially in those who have been morbidly obese, many people who lose a moderate amount of weight through proper diet and exercise do not experience significant issues with loose skin. She emphasizes the importance of building muscle, as increased muscle mass can help fill out the skin and improve overall body composition. Virgin encourages listeners to focus on the positive aspects of weight loss and body transformation, such as improved health, increased energy, and enhanced physical capabilities. She suggests that rather than fearing loose skin, individuals should embrace the journey of becoming healthier and stronger. Throughout the episode, Virgin underscores the importance of tracking progress in various aspects of health and fitness. She advocates for using tools like bioimpedance scales to monitor body composition, as well as keeping track of protein intake and exercise routines. By tracking these metrics, individuals can gain valuable insights into their progress and make informed adjustments to their diets and fitness plans. Virgin also highlights the need for a supportive environment, whether through community, family, or professional guidance. She believes that having a network of support can significantly enhance motivation and accountability, making it easier to achieve health and fitness goals.